Hey guys, today we're going to cover off a brand new feature that we've been working on for a while, which enables customers to book their own either quote or job appointments. What we can actually do to access this is we go into the settings, we go into our booking pages, and we can actually configure that. So what this enables us to do, you'll see that we have a couple already configured. Okay, so we have one for the western suburbs of Perth, where we've configured the slug, which is the URL. Okay, we've said that, okay, we're available in the western suburbs with a central point in Mosman Park on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, with a radius of 5 kilometres. Okay, we're saying that the bookings are for 60 minutes each. Okay, and that is the settings that we have there. We have a second one there where we've got the northern suburbs of Perth, so centred around Joondalup with a 10-kilometre radius, and again it's 8 till 5 with a 60-minute duration per booking. So what each one of those does is we can either specifically allow people to book on that each booking form, or they can actually just go to the general booking form for each of the locations. And what we can actually do is type in the name. We can put in the phone number. Okay, the email address. Okay, and finally the street address. Okay, now I'm going to pick a location in, let's say, somewhere in Mosman Park. Okay, we'll say Western Australia. And what we can do is that has picked up the fact that we're available on Tuesday, Wednesdays and Thursdays in that region, and it's given me my booking times. I can now select a time that works for me, okay, on a given date. Okay, it gives me a summary, and I can now add any notes and I can confirm that booking. Right, now why has that done? That sent me an email confirmation, and if I now go into my job scheduler, so we scheduled that for the 14th, okay, so for tomorrow, we'll see that is now sitting under my pending bookings queue user. Okay, we can have as many different queues as we like, and we can schedule the jobs or the quotes to those, and any self-booked item goes into the pending bookings. So we can configure how many of those we're allowed per day. Okay, what I can now do is I can assign that or drag that to an individual. It's going to convert that lead, okay, from a lead into a customer, a site, and a contact. And yes, I'm going to convert and create a new job there. I can add any notes, okay, and I can apply a job template there as well. What that's going to do is that has now created my job, okay, which has come straight across from my original lead. So if I go over to my leads now, I'll actually see that this was the original lead that came in there, okay, and that's been converted into the associated job, okay, and scheduled onto the calendar. So if I go to my converted data, I'll see that it's been converted to this particular job, which has also been logged within the system there. Hope that all makes sense. Thanks very much.